Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a smorgasbord of polyfood here, and I've got lawnmowers going on outside. I tell you what, when I was preparing all this food, there was no lawnmower happening. And as I come out here to start my mukbang, now look, even my glasses are foggy now. See, bad timing, worst timing. But anyway guys, let me tell you what I've got here on my smorgasbord polyfood. Okay, over here I have the filet mokangi, lamb filet mokangi. I have the egg foo young, I have sapasui and chow mein, and I've got sweet and sour chicken, and I've got the Faye crab meat, sashimi to some. I got the Cook Island donut. I have fasipori masima. Look how far I'm showing it. And I got galo, all sliced up in wedges. See? Has he stopped mowing the lawn? Oh, I hope so. Let's not jinx it. Let's not jinx it. Anyway guys, I gotta get my prayer going and then we're gonna start eating. So I'm hoping he doesn't start his lawnmower. I'll be waiting for him to stop. I was thinking, my food's getting cold, Mr. Neighbor. So I got my plate. I got my plate. And my drink today guys is lemonade. Cheers. He's starting. He's starting. Oh, neighbor. Neighbor. Anyway, just pretend you can't hear the lawnmower guys. I waited for this guy to finish his lawnmower. And what made it worse, it was going it sounded like a motorbike. Anyway, that's the pumpkin. I get some of this egg foo young. I got this from Blacker guys here in Mount Druitt area. So we're very lucky to have these poly people, you know, waking up early in the morning and making it for us, you know. I for with them. Anyway, yeah. I was thinking, hey, what's that? It's an egg foo young for my spoon. Have a bit of this chow mein. Lawnmower man. Oh, you're gonna get it. Oh, look at this beans. Yep, and I'll have a bit of this sweet and sour chicken. I think it was one lawnmower working before. Now I think I can hear two. Are they ganging up on me? They better watch it. Anyway, look how nice my plate looks. Delicious. It's like my own personal smorgasbord. Yeah, look guys. I'm gonna put this up here for my thumbnail. Rude. Lawnmower man, stop. Anyway, I'll move this up close. And I'll put this beside me. Look how pretty it is. Smorgasbord food. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna slice me up some bovi masima. It's got a lot of fat on it, but you know, if you like it, you like it, right? So I just chop it up and leave it there. So when I want some, it's all ready to go into my mouth. Okay, here we go. Time to kai kai. That's what the Cook Island say. Time to kai kai. So, you know that lawnmower? Worst timing ever, Mr. Lawnmower Man. Anyway, Oh, that tastes good. That tastes good. I didn't ask what meat it is, but I thought, okay, if they made it with Muri BBs, I just have to hack it. I'll just have to hack it, and it'll be my first time. Yeah, subsidy. Nope. You can get this from Blacker too. Nice, don't it? Nice. This is the first time I didn't even know they sold Cook Island donuts at Blacker. I think it's a whippersnapper now. Fat man. Nice donut. Well, my neighbour finally stopped mowing. How's everyone? How's everyone going? This filet mukbang is so nice. Just got to give me a bit more. Filet mukbang, yeah. Most of us Pollies, our parents, would have made it one way or the other, eh? Filet mukbang is always nice, I tell you. But it depends if you like it, eh? Sweet and sour chicken, guys. You have some. Nice. Nice. You know what? I'm going to ask you guys something. Other than your own mum or dad, who makes the best supper sui in your family? Comment down below and let me know. I love filet mukbang. You know when you got 4 eyes like glasses, and you got your lights, it's like you can't see my eyes, right? But I can see you guys. Who crunches on that crunchy part of the bone? I love it, eh? But sometimes I have to be careful because at my old age now, our teeth can be brittle, and I don't want to be like my poor mother the other day. Yeah, so I said, "Did you have enough to eat?" And she said, "I was chewing on the bone and it broke my tooth." So I said, "What'd you do?" And she said, "Oh, can eat what?" My poor mother must have swallowed it. I don't know, my poor mum. Dementia is a horrible thing. This is the drumstick part, chopped up. I made it into sweet and sour. It's like deep fried and then made it into sweet and sour. I'm glad my neighbour stopped mowing the lawn. That's the worst timing though. You know, when I was a teenager, I had daydreamed that one day I'd like to open me a, you know, one of those things like you sell food. Yeah, I like that kind of thing. You know what's my favourite thing to watch on YouTube? It's the street food. I love watching it. I love watching it. I really do. And then they show out in North Korea market, and Thailand market, even in England market. I love it. I just love the people there and what people are selling to eat. I love watching. Okay, and I keep saying love. Yeah, love a lot. Love. Yeah, but I could spend hours watching it. Like, one time, my husband, he went to get his haircut, blah blah blah. Come back. Yes, I'm still watching it. And then he goes, "Oh, you still watching that?" I go, "Yeah, there's not only one food store." Oh, there was this guy, I forgot his name. He's from America. I don't know, maybe you guys have watched him. Anyway, he does quesadillas. Now quesadillas, if it wasn't for his video, I wouldn't even know what it is. Anyway, so this guy, he hustles, right, when he was going to school. And sometimes he makes his own lunch at home, or his mum makes his lunch. And then, yeah, one day, he took some food and ate with his friend, and they said, "Oh, you should make it," you know. And then he thought, then he did. He's pretty well known, and how sad I didn't even get his name. But I watched him how many times? About 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And I still don't know his name. It's just like how I buy my food from Blackett. And people ask, "Where'd you get your food?" And I always think, next time I go, I'll get the address. Next time I go, I'll get the address. Did I get the address today? No, sorry. But we must see my blubber and blubber. I bought this from Blackett as well. And then I wrapped it up in the foil and I roasted it. They're so lucky. I like them because they're my neighbours. Yeah, not good neighbours. We all just keep to ourselves. We don't even know each other. But when you got good neighbours that just mind their own business, and like we mind our own business, and if they have their parties and they're rowdy, we just, you know, I don't bother with it. And in fact, I listen up for good music, and I'm inside You know, that's the truth. Ask my husband. As long as they're doing their own thing and not bothering us, they can have all the fun they want. That little bubble man, my neighbor, he like did it right on the top of his battery. I'm so hungry. Can you hear what I'm saying? Guys, I got a lot of shout outs. I found my book. I don't know why I always have a scissors on the table. I don't know why. Anyway, so okay, so you know why it's so loud on the camera? Because this is the garage. 4 steps away is the road. We're on a cul-de-sac, so we're not on the main road. Can you imagine if it was on the main road? Anyway, guys, I got shout outs to do, quite a lot of them. So grab me some cup of coffee or cup of tea. I'm gonna shout these lovely people out, okay? And the first one is IRENA, TALITA. No, IRENA, TALITA. I've known her for years. Lovely girl. And she comes and supports, comments and watches, and I thank you very much. Thank you very much, Irene. Oh yeah, here's another YouTuber, Life Through Our Eyes 303. YouTuber, guys. If you guys want to go over, watch their channels, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That's how, you know, they get a bit of, you know, help from people that want to do that. So that'll be nice. And I want to also stop it out there, driver. I also want to shout out TULIA, FILOI, Sue. That's Marlyn's mum. I want to shout her out. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Excuse me. Thanks. I appreciate it so much. And I also want to say hello to Patricia, LEITUALA. Hello to you, Patricia. And she's from Waipahu in Hawaii. Okay? Okay. And I also want to say hello to MARINA ATETU and hubby John ATETU. Thank you very much, Marina. I got a message from you from Facebook. So hello, Marina. Appreciate it very much. I went to get my food today, and a pretty young girl walked up to me and said, "Hi Faye, I love watching your channel." And then she said, "I'm funny." I thought, oh, cute. I like it. I like being funny when I'm in a funny mood. When I'm in a funny mood, guys, because sometimes there's things that's, you know, going in my mind, and there's a lot of things, you know. And that's why I feel sorry for my husband. Sometimes he says, I didn't have a good sleep last night. But I tell you what, all night long you can hear we've been together for a long time. And the funny thing is, we didn't even have a proper marriage. Yeah, our celebrant got her neighbours. We got married in Laguna in 1992. And yeah, my celebrant, we had no one to be our witness, and the only person that could help us might have been my sister, but she stayed out in Mount Druitt. That time we were staying out in Bankstown, and we didn't have anyone to be our witness, and we just needed to get married because we were having a study with the Jehovah's Witness. I know I'd told this before, but I know the new people that's watching don't know that story, so that's why I'm just, you know, mentioning it. Yeah, so the celebrant, her name was Barbara, I still remember, got her neighbours to a mother and daughter to be our witness. And we didn't have a reception. We went to Green Acre fish and chip shop, and my new husband and I, Tangaroa, we went and had a hamburger with egg and chips, giggled about our marriage, the day we just, you know, what we just did, giggled about it, bought fish and chips, and then we took it home to our kids that were waiting. And then we went and told them that we got married, and they were all excited, like, really? Poor kids. Yeah. Because when we were having a study, it got to the chapter of, to the part where, you know, living in sin. And I went quiet because I thought, oh, how could we study this? Because the couple that was studying with us, John and, oh, okay, never mind. I'll probably remember later. And then if I do, it'll be John and someone down there. Waipahu. Sorry, John and wife. Yeah, so when it got to that part, I was all like quiet. I had to put the book down because it might have been distraction. Anyway, so he goes. So when the couple left that studied with us, I couldn't wait to close that door, that front door, and then I made sure that I heard their car drive away, and I turned around and I said, now listen here, bucko, we are getting married. And he goes, I've been married before, I don't want to get married. And I go, excuse me, say it again. And I said, no, darling, we're going to get married, I ain't going to study. So I thought you just go and, you know, get married straight away, so when we have our next Bible study, I don't feel guilty. But when we went there, we had to wait, how many days? I think 30 days or something. Yeah, we had to wait. I don't know, maybe that's just to clear our mind, give us time to clear our mind if we really loved each other that much, so we can get married. Anyway, we went and filled in some papers into IRENA. I looked up the, because back in those days there was no digital phone to look up Google. So it was a telephone book, looked it up, saw one in there, you know. I rang up and made an appointment with Barbara. And then we made an appointment and we went there. And then we had to tell her a little bit about ourselves. And then when she heard how many kids we already had before we got married, you can see that she was a little bit no. Anyway, so we went and got married, but at least when we had our next study, it was like a bit of conscience, you know, like getting cleared, because I knew our appointment was ready for our wedding day. Guys, thank you for hanging out with me. You guys are so awesome. I always think, I know you guys all watch so many videos, but I just think that I've got the best viewers out there. So guys, keep up the hustle. If you guys are doing your videos, keep it up, guys, keep it up. Don't worry about anything. When you're feeling down, let it mellow down a bit, then you do your video. Sometimes when I'm doing my video, it's like rewarding to me, eh? You know, so I thank the good Lord that, you know, when I asked him if he approves of my videos, you know, like me starting a channel, it felt like his answer was right there, you know, right there, you know, allowing me to do it. So I just went ahead and done it. So I just kept with it, you know, I just kept with it, and whatever comes in my mind that I'm going to do, you know, everything I always thank him, because I always think we're so lucky to have a loving God that's given us so many chances. So, you know, the time is nearing, you know, guys, because all the proof is around us, you know. So we gotta just don't miss out. I even said that to my husband, Daddy, we cannot miss out, you know. Look at me. Anyway, guys, you guys all take care. Wailoa, thanks for hanging out. You guys are the most awesomest viewers out there, okay? Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, because if they say something that you're not a good viewer, you march them right to my channel, and they gotta push the like, subscribe, and tell me what they did wrong, and I will tell them, stop it, stop it. Kia manuia, guys. Pasui fua.